Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming your phone supports dual SIM or an app cloning feature. This matters because you need two isolated app instances. Once verified, back up your current WhatsApp chats to Google Drive or iCloud so no messages are lost. Next, install WhatsApp Business or enable the System Clone app feature. You want two separate WhatsApp installs tied to different numbers. Make sure you have both SIMs active or access to the second number for the verification SMS or call. You now open the cloned WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business and accept all permissions. This isolates data storage from the primary app. When prompted, enter the second phone number and verify via SMS or a verification call. Use the active SIM or temporary number forwarding. If you have a backup tied to that number, restore it, otherwise start fresh. Once done, configure profile, notifications, and privacy settings. Make sure to test messaging and calling to confirm the second instance sends and receives properly. You finish by customizing notifications, profile images, and names so you can instantly tell accounts apart. This prevents accidental replies. Once settings are saved, test group messages and media sending on both apps to ensure full functionality. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting step is to retry verification using the call option or temporarily reinserting the second SIM. Network or SIM detection issues are the most common blockers. If backups aren't restoring, confirm the cloud account matches the number and try again.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.